Struggling with tough ingredients in your blender? Meet my secret weapon, the Prasky Professional Blender. Its 6-leaf sharp blade crushes ice cubes, veggies, and fruits like a breeze. Think smoothie magic. Thanks to its 3.0 HP motor hitting 25,000 RPM, no job is too hard. Level up your kitchen game for just $99.98. Don't wait. Grab yours now and transform how you blend.
So guys, picture this, rushing through morning chaos and still whipping up cafe quality smoothies at home thanks to my Prasky Professional Blender. Seriously, its 3.0 HP motor crushes everything. Ice, veggies, fruits, like they're nothing. And let's talk about that huge 68-ounce container. One batch fuels me all day, or lets me prep multiple servings hassle-free. With its sharp 6-leaf blade, smoothness is guaranteed. No more chunky bits. Guys, upgrade your smoothie game now with Prasky. Trust me, you won't regret it.
If you want to buy this product, then click the link in the description box, and if you want to explore